Hi, welcome back to Happy Wowie channel. Getting ready for the Christmas holidays? In this video, we are going to make this Snowman Maraca using paper cups. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, take 2 pieces of 375 ml paper cups. Then put some bells or beads inside the paper cup. Add some glue on the lid and stick the 2 paper cups together. Hold both ends of the cups to align them together and to avoid any gaps. To make a hat using a black card paper, measure and cut 4 cm of card strip. Then measure 1 cm from the base of the cup to place the hat. Put the card strip around the cup to get the exact size of the hat and cut the excess paper. Then mark the area where to put the glue. Then stick both ends together. Trace the band of the hat. Allow ½ centimeter extra space around and cut it. Then trim at least ½ centimeter around the circle. Then fold the trimmed sides all around. Then test it out if it fits the band of the hat. Now add glue and stick the top of the hat. To stick, place the top with the trimmings up, then gently push it till it reaches the glued area. For the brim, draw and cut another circle with 8 cm in diameter. Then draw an inner circle in it by tracing the base of the cup. Make sure that the inner circle is in the center. Then cut out the inner circle. Then place the brim on the hat. Gently push it down, add some glue, and arrange the brim to make sure that it's sticking to the hat. Snowman's hat is looking good, but we can make it better by adding some bling. Now take the card paper to make Snowman's arms and hands. Measure and cut 2 pieces of card strips, measuring 10 cm by 2 cm. I just simply cut the arms and 4 fingers for the snowman. Please let me know in the comment section if you need any templates for this. Then make 3 small circles for the buttons. These are about 1 cm in diameter. I'm also making a cutout of the mouth and the eyebrows. You can also use the markers to draw it if you like. Then take an orange card paper, measure and cut 2 cm by 3 cm for the nose. Turn it into a cone shape and fold in the tip. To make the handle, we will be using 1 full A4 craft card and half a craft card. Stick them together to make it longer using a double-sided tape. Then start rolling from the side corner to make the paper stick. It is good if the handle is firm and not too bulky. Add some glue to seal the ends. Holding the stick with 2 hands, gently bend it to make a U shape. Then flatten both ends of the stick. We can now assemble the parts together, starting with the hat. Then stick the googly eyes, or you may also draw it. For the handle, add glue on the flattened side of the stick and attach it on the sides of Snowman. With both hands, hold it for a few seconds to secure the handle. Now let's make Snowman scarf. Grab an A4 felt paper, measure 3 cm and cut it. Then we need another piece to make it longer. Add some glue to connect them together. Trim the sides and make some fringes. You may use double-sided tape or glue for this. Place the scarf around the hands and handle to cover and secure them.
And there you have it, your very own DIY Snowman Maracas. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!